How to hide when you are online on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right and then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings and privacy, and here you want to scroll down to the interactions section, and from there click on activity status, and here you want to turn off the show activity status and the show when you're active together toggles off. Simply click on them and they will be turned off, and this way no one will know that you are online on Instagram. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide when you're active on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.